My name is Ekanem. I am a commercial lawyer focused in construction infrastructure. I currently work with DFIP & Co. It is a construction law firm, and all we do is around centers of construction and other engineering projects. Infrastructure sector has always been a driving force in every country's economy, and it is an aspect of practice that will always be relevant, especially as it relates to us lawyers. It has not been saturated, and we can always grow in the sector. Overall, it has been wonderful and amazing. I came with a high expectation, owing to the fact that I've always been a follower of African Catalyst and Bridgestone. I have read series of newsletters and attended some of their webinars in the past. So coming into the program, I was actually looking up to how I can broaden my knowledge in the infrastructure space. And from the detailed presentations we've had, the pre-recorded courses, the casework we've been given, the live sessions we had, and even personal development skills that have been our own personal development skills that have been refined. It has all of this contributed to making the program to be not just meeting the expectation, but also being rewarding. As a lawyer, all that I've been doing basically centers around buildings and roadworks. But coming to the program, I have realized that it is more. We have other construction works in other sectors, like in the oil and gas, like in the renewable energy sector, in the transport, in the aviation sector as well. And this has not only broadened my scope of practice and has also enriched my intellectual reservoir, exposing me to different forms of agreements we have, stakeholders management, client relationship management, and not only that, the aspect of financing, due diligence in infrastructural projects. These are different areas that has made my knowledge and also my skill in the sector to be sharpened and making me to be more equipped to serve clients better and present myself in the availability curve in the sector. It is actually a feeling that is amazing and at the same time heartwarming, because it is not just the name, it also comes with substance. It is a privilege that when we are being known by as a yearly fellow, our track record could easily be recognized, and owing to the fact that what we are doing here is practical, it places me at a pedestal that I did not just acquire head knowledge, but I actually went through the practical aspects of it, and I had one-hand experience. So I am happy to be identified as one. When I read some news reports and even some law reports in the sector, we've seen so many good projects that did not get to completion. We've seen the ones that did not even get to the financing stage. This may not have been as a result of the project not being a good one. It could have been as a result of bad stakeholder management. It could have been as a result of poor legal documentation. It could have been as a result of not giving proper attention to risk management. And having gone through this training and having acquired the knowledge, I see myself not just sitting in table as a lawyer on the table as a lawyer to only discuss the legality of the projects I will be part of, but also having a technical knowledge as a subject matter expertise to contribute to the discussion in terms of the project bankability, in terms of complying with the environmental, social, and governance structures, in terms of due diligence, and also helping to bridge the gaps so that projects that have good potentials will not just fail as a result of not doing what's supposed to be done. And overall, this will also move the sector forward and also contributing to the growth of other ones who are growing in the industry. So I have come to make some good connections, especially within our subgroups when we are having meetings. The places that I have always admired to make connections with: the financial institution, the construction companies. Some of them, I may not want to mention names, we happen to be in the same subgroup. And through our discussion and interactions, we have seen that we have built a relationship that is going to transcend what we are doing here at the DFIP program. And tomorrow, we could collaborate together and serve together in the bigger project. And also expanding my social capital, not only to lawyers, but also other relevant stakeholders in the industry. It's something that is really amazing and I am grateful for. I will, and I'm even encouraged that any sacrifice you can make to be here, you should. And I will say this for a couple of reasons. Yes, it is intensive, it is demanding, but I would encourage any young professional to play a game of delayed gratification. If you can burn both ends of the candles to go through what we are doing here, you will see that it's going to serve as a springboard to what you are going to do in the future. You are going to get practical knowledge, you are going to get head knowledge as well. You are going to build network, you are going to develop not just your academic skills, your interpersonal skills, your communication skills, your presentation skills, your time management skills, and even how to be committed and to be disciplined. So in a nutshell, I would say that it is all round, and any sacrifice that is made to be here will worth it. Like I said, it may be demanding, but of course, does it worth it? Yes, it does.